Welcome, welcome, welcome to my ASMR video once again. I'm back with some amazing triggers. I love them. I can't wait for them. I'm so excited, guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna go right in. Check this. I have a 3D printed Bulbasaur. I think that's the correct Pokemon. If it's not, I'm going to myself. And listen. Doesn't that just sound amazing? That sounds so good. Like what the balls, bro? It's like perfume. Okay, for my next nothing's funny, I'm just laughing. Can't a girl laugh? What's so wrong with laughing, having a little laughter these days? Oh my gosh, guys. Nerd gummy cluster. Should I eat it? Well, it's in my hand. I can't not eat it now. This is not a mukbang. Not a mukbang at all, but that was really good. For my next trigger, I have a stick. But it's not just any regular stick. It's a scented stick. I forget the name of it. But I got this at a hippie store near me. And it smells so good. You're supposed to burn it, kind of like a smudge stick. You burn it and you cleanse yourself with it. I'm not gonna light it. I really want to, but I don't have anything to set it on right now. for now, it's just going to be a wooden tapping trigger. For my next trigger, I have a container of circles. They're little clasps. They're hoops, if you will. I love the sound of this plastic tapping trigger. It is just amazing to me. I don't even... Okay, just listen. the lid had fallen off of this one right here. It opened. But it honestly kind of created a really nice tapping sound. What do we think? I like this better. There's that trigger. Now let's move on to our last final trigger. You guys are gonna love this, okay? So, I'm an avid Monster Energy drinker. I love Monster Energy. Please sponsor me. And I will drink I'm not even gonna go into how many drinks of Monster Energy I have bought. And I don't even know. Ever. Like in my whole entire life, I've probably spent like thousands of dollars on Monster Energy. But I bent the can. Pose for thumbnail. Look at how beautiful this looks. Like, what are we even talking about right now? think I'm going to conclude the rest of my ASMR for my video. That'll be it for my ASMR video. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments below what were your favorite triggers. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know your favorite trigger though. Let me know what you want me to use as a trigger next, what you'd want me to do for another ASMR video. Once again, thank you so much for watching. See ya!